Hey everyone! Today I'm going to spill the beans, or should I say kernels, on why sweet corn is a superfood for your body. Ready to get corny? Let's dive in. First up, let's break down the nutritional goodness in just 100 grams of sweet corn. With 86 calories, 18.7 grams of carbohydrates, and 3.27 grams of protein, sweet corn packs quite a punch. Not to mention, it's low in fat with only 1.35 grams and comes with a decent 2 grams of dietary fiber. Speaking of fiber, this is where sweet corn really shines. Fiber is crucial for overall health, especially for your digestive system. It helps keep things moving, reduces the risk of heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and even bowel cancer. Plus, fiber gives you that feeling of fullness, which can help prevent overeating and aid in weight maintenance. A review has shown that people with high dietary fiber intake can significantly lower their risk of heart disease. And guess what? Those who ate more fiber also had lower mortality rates from heart disease. So adding sweet corn to your diet could be a great way to boost your fiber intake and keep your heart happy. Now, let's talk about those pesky free radicals. These little troublemakers can cause significant cell damage and lead to diseases like heart disease, cancer, and cognitive decline. Sweet corn is rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps combat these free radicals and protects your cells from damage. This means sweet corn can help prevent heart diseases and cancer. But that's not all. Yellow sweet corn contains carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin. These antioxidants are fantastic for eye health as they reduce the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. So, munching on sweet corn might just help you keep your vision sharp. And let's not forget about diverticular disease, a common digestive issue. Studies suggest that consuming corn may help keep diverticulitis at bay, promoting gut health. Now let's move on to brain health. Corn is packed with vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. Thiamine is essential for producing acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that helps with memory. Good levels of acetylcholine can improve memory and may even reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease. So adding sweet corn to your diet could be a brain booster, especially for the elderly. In a nutshell, sweet corn is not just a tasty treat, but a powerhouse of nutrients that can benefit your heart, digestion, eyes, and brain. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to toss some sweet corn into your cart. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more health tips and nutritional insights. Stay healthy and keep munching on that sweet corn. See you next time.